tonight. I've learned 3 new songs. I don't even know who's sitting out there. But first one's not going to be too hot. I don't do Cyndi Lauper too well. The next two will be a little better. So, but it's 3 songs, all right, and they're all new. So, best I could do. Come home in the morning light. Mother says, what you gonna do with your life? Oh, mother dear, you're not the fortunate one, but girls, they wanna have fun. Yeah, girls just wanna have fun. Phone rings in the middle of the night. Bobby yells, what you wanna do with your life? Oh, dear, you know you're still number one, and girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Some boys take a beautiful girl, hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one that walks in the sun, and girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. I know I can't sing that. Oh my God. Okay, sorry about that. I got 2 bad ones coming.